have an exterior angle, right? Which one is the exterior angle?
9x plus 7.
9x plus 7. And that should equal then, what are the remote interior angles?
40 and 7
Alright, so what should we do with those two things?
You should simplify them? Or you put them equal to each other?
Add them.
See, that's kind of funny.
So we're talking about the remote interior angle. So the left-hand side of my equation is the exterior angle. The right-hand side is the sum of the remote interiors. Add those together. So now you're going to simplify that stuff. So what do you get? 31 plus 7x.
What did you add together?
40 plus -9.
Oh, okay.
So those two things get added together, right? And that's how we got that side. And then 40 minus 9 is 31. Okay. I'll move my 7x, I get 2x.
Yep.
I'll move my other 7 over.
Yep.
So it's 31 minus 7.
24.
24. Okay. X becomes
2, 12. Oh my lord.
Okay. So, see a little mistake, right? So,
Get it, Tyler.
hey, you gotta do it on here.
Silly goose.
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Who don't know what to do?
If you don't come on,
Okay, so you take 1,
Touch one of those colors down on the board. On the,
He
on
can't
the
even
pad.
write.
Now do it.
1 over 7 s plus 3
I'm looking. My handwriting doesn't look that.
plus 1 over 7 s
Hey, you must be louder.
minus 3
All right, hold on a second. Let me give you some room here.
Yeah.
hey, you should have run at that bottom, boy.
Just make the plus signs a little bit bigger.
Okay, Microsoft. Yeah, my brother has copied it.
All right, so why'd you do that?
because it's a triangle and all three angles equal 180.
Okay.
That's what I did. Yeah, but you didn't have this.
Yeah, his X is on 5 looking at.
Silly goose. Okay, that's the worst.
It wasn't the S, that was a 5.
Yeah,
Marcelo.
It's the other.
Then you add the 1/7 and the 2 1/7 and the s, which is 7/7, which gets you 9/7 s
Good.
equals 180. Then you divide that and get s equals 140.
Yep, that's fine.
How did you divide it?
For the calculator?
So you divided 180 by 9/7, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do I, this is going to be important for the rest of the year. How do I divide either a number or a fraction by a fraction?
I multiplied by 7 and then I divided by 9.
Okay, so you went 180. So if I had like 9/7 s equals 180. Okay. So you multiplied both sides by 7. Got that to go away. Came over here, right? So what did that give you when you?
1,260.
And then you divided by 9, right?
Yeah.
You got 1260 divided by 9, and that should equate to 140, right? Now I'm hearing a lot of you say, well, I used the calculator. Guess what is going to get taken away from you at some point throughout the year?
Oh,
Your
calculator.
calculator. I'm not kidding. You need to be able to do stuff without calculator. Okay, so that is one way of doing it. Okay, perfectly fine. But you multiplied by 7 and then divided by 9, right? Well, multiplying by 7 and divided by 9 is the same thing as multiplying by
The
7. The
reciprocal.
reciprocal of
The fraction.
9/7. Okay, so if I do 7/9 here, so I'm basically doing the two steps that we did over here at the same time. Reciprocals, the product of reciprocals is always what? 1. So I get 1s. Okay, now I've got the 180 over here. Multiply that by 7 over 9. Now that's hard, right?
Yeah.
But this is the reason why we have fractions. How many times does 9 go into 18? Twice, so they cancel out. Now you have 20 times 7. Is that pretty easy?
140.
140. And that's something we should be able to do without a calculator. The reason I want you to be able to do it without a calculator is that many of us will struggle when we start doing other calculations with a calculator because we don't know how our calculator works. We will type things in, get an answer, think we type stuff in correctly, think we should have the right answer, and it's wrong because we type things in incorrectly. Does that make sense? So to alleviate that, we just get rid of the calculator. All right? You should be able to do those things. Do not allow your calculator to inhibit you from being able to do this algebra, because this algebra will be very important later on when I start taking numbers away and putting letters in here for 7 and 9. Does that make sense? Because will your calculator allow you to put 7/9 or like A over R? No, your calculator will not allow you to do it. It doesn't have an algebra solving system on it. So you have to be able to do this with numbers because eventually those numbers are going to turn into variables. Okay? So it's very, very important that we do not answer questions